Y'all, this is not good. You see, I'm wearing the same shirt I wore yesterday. I just don't care today. Y'all, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me your thumbs up. Leave your comments. And just know, I love you all. Yesterday, everyone was so hopeful for a new stimulus package. So what happened? The House and the White House was putting out all of these good vibes that a new stimulus package would be reached either yesterday or today. Well, that didn't happen. They say no deal. Our government has screwed us big time, yet again. It's time for us to return the favor to these son of a guns. They say they are still too far apart to reach a deal. Now the best chance of us getting a stimulus check is for Trump to send out his own stimulus checks like he was talking about 2 weeks ago with a presidential order. But will this happen? Probably not. Every one of them in office right now needs to be voted out. They need to go. They have screwed us for the last time. Personally, I really think there was a deal passed a long time ago that we don't know about. That deal was not to pass a stimulus package to help the American people. They just want to appear that they are working to help us. In reality, they are not doing anything. They are just stringing us along until the election day, promising us a stimulus package just to get our votes. Well, y'all, let's give it to them. Let's give them our votes. Let's kick them all out into the streets, just like they're doing to us. Let's kick their sorry asses as hard as we can. Y'all, I am sorry, but I am so pissed off at our government right now. They don't care one bit about the American people, and they are proving it over and over and over again. It is way past time for the good people in America to stand up against our corrupt government and do something about it. Y'all remember, as long as we let them screw us, they will screw us. I believe it's time to take to the streets. Y'all, I'm sorry for my demeanor today, but I have had it up to here with our government. How can the rest of the world help their people, but yet the best country in the world can't? It's pathetic. Y'all, I love you all. I am sorry of my language today. But on a good note, my course does launch today. I will be sending it out to the people that's already signed up for it. And if you want in, the links are in the bottom. Y'all, I love you all. Until later today, I'm sure. Ciao.